The simpler the trading, the better. Sometimes that's all we have to do to just elevate our trading, keeping it simple. And me looking over at this week's stats you got, this week trades, my journal. So at the end of the week, I could have been a little bit more selective in my trades, not overcomplicating it, keeping it simple. But I want to show you guys two examples of why literally just following your plan and keeping it simple is the way to go. So I want to show you guys two examples. I took a nice sell on NQ on Monday morning. So this NQ trade, I patiently waited for the setup actually, and even on the trade. So I waited to get in, and I waited for the trade to actually hit TP. It was like an hour play, no lie. And we caught some nice profits on my top step. It was like $1,700. And literally all I did was I saw an opportunity in the market and I just let it play out and trade went lovely, y'all. And that's simplicity. Now, I want to put you guys to another example of YM that did the opposite, no lie. Let me put you guys on. Let me actually bar replay this real quick. Boom. Let me give you guys the whole breakdown of this quick trade real quick. So overall, on Wednesday, I picked the trade on Wednesday. We're looking for sales. And the reason for that is because price was in this resistance zone overnight. It dropped. It broke through this verified uptrend that I had. Look, it broke and it retested. I enter on the retest and a continuation, especially after price bounced off this moving average and this resistance zone and this verified uptrend. After it broke it broke through it on the retest. I want it again. I was like, you know what? The setup is there. Why not? So boom, you guys. We placed. We got in. We live. Price right away. Boom. Gave me like 100 points. I was up. So you guys, yep, exactly. I remember like 1,000 because I was watching this trade. I was up like 100 points, you guys, right? The market gave me 100 points. Now, look what I did, y'all. Look what I did. So when the market gave me like $1,000, I decided to move my stop loss to entry, which that's the norm. It's okay. But me looking at the trade afterwards, I didn't let it play out to its full potential because I moved my stop loss too early. And I'm about to show you guys why am I saying this? Because when I moved my stop loss to right here, price came, boom, boom. Look what it did, y'all. Look what it did, y'all. So literally with me just, again, keeping it simple, letting the trade play out, boom. With me just leaving my stop loss how it is, I could have gotten this trade, which I'm not too upset for me. We secured $100 because I put my stop loss 10 points, $100. I put 2 contracts on this trade. But it could have been way more than $100. It could have been $1,400 because I was aiming for 145 points. The reason why I was holding that much because I put my TP on like the fourth touch of this TL, on the fourth touch, and most of the time the price breaks through a verified trend line. It reaches the third and fourth touch, so I was pretty confident it was gonna go down there, but my dickhead moved my stop loss too early, y'all, and it hit my stop loss right here, and it took me out. And crazy thing is that right after it hit it, shit dropped. Shit dropped to carajo, like, man. Shit is crazy, you guys. So that's why just keeping it simple, man. Let the trade play out. Of course, you can move your stop loss, you know, make it a risk-free trade, but wait for that structure, wait for that proper structure. And literally, usually what I do, let's say if I'm in a buy trade, I move my stop loss to in profit once I see that price create like a higher low structure. If it's a sell, wait until for price give me that lower high. But I didn't. I moved my stop prematurely, too early, and hit my stop loss and then dropped at the TP. But it is what it is. We take this, we jot it down and we move on to the next one, y'all. But if you guys enjoy this type of content, please hit that like and subscribe button. Comment in the section if this has happened to you or how many times. Appreciate you guys for tuning into the full video. Appreciate you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.